Can't create or sign into an HP app account from a Mac. The HP app requires you to sign into your HP account to use all app features. If you cannot sign into or create an HP app account on your Mac, follow these steps. Step 1. Check internet connectivity and update your default browser. Make sure your Mac is connected to the internet. Check your default browser to see if there are any pending software updates and install them. Force quit your browser. Be sure to save any unsaved information or data in the browser window before proceeding. Click the Apple icon, then select Force Quit. Select your default browser from the list and click Force Quit. If prompted, click Force Quit again to confirm. Close and reopen the HP app. Then try to create or sign into an account. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Step 2. Change the default browser to Safari. If you have a different browser set as default, click the Apple icon and select System Settings. In System Preferences, select Desktop and Dock. Scroll down and look for Default Web Browser. Select Safari from the drop-down and close the window. Open the HP app and try to create or sign into an account. If successful, continue setting up the printer in the app and change your default browser back to your preferred one. If you still can't create or sign into an HP app account, restart your Mac. Open the HP app and try to create or sign into an account. If the issue persists, use Apple AirPrint as a temporary workaround to print and scan files with your HP printer.